covered. And you put a lot in there.
Well, I said I had no idea.
It was funnier watching you squirm. Alright, try it, why not?
Yeah, I mean, what's the worst that'll happen? It blows up in my hand?
Well, I don't want my gun damaged.
Oh, doesn't want his gun damaged, do I?
Yeah, pull that lock back.
Half-cock. All right. So, is the camera on the cabbage?
I believe so.
You believe so?
I didn't want to be. Yes, it's on the cabbage.
Okay, so racist cabbage versus gun. Doink. Let's try this again. The joys of black powder. Hey guys, hold on.